Hello everyone, I am Dr. Alka Agnihotri, Assistant Professor, School of Business, Galgotias University. My paper ID is 1094 and my paper title is Comparative Study of Team Characteristics under Shared Leadership in Large and Small Companies in IT Industry in India. Shared leadership is a team level phenomena and it is a leadership style that works through teams. These teams are of many types depending on the nature, composition, purpose of their existence, and based on these their characteristics may also vary. This paper aims at comparing the team in large and small IT organizations and in the regard to few chosen characteristics in the context of shared leadership. The literature abounds with studies of teams, their characteristics and impact on work and performance. The nature and characteristics of team is something of keen interest for scholars and researchers. Thus, team characteristics have been studied by scholars from different perspectives. Scholars have more or less even reached broad consensus regarding characteristics of effective team. Despite this, studies have continued to undertake with various intentions ranging from validation of previous findings to exploring newer sets of characteristics in newer perspectives. This study also carries forward the spirit and zeal to understand team characteristics in a deeper way and from perspective of shared leadership. The research methodology for this paper was firstly eliciting the characteristics for the standardized questionnaire, namely scale for measuring shared leadership, was developed by A. Agnihotri and S. Kapoor, was undertaken, and these chosen characteristics were 10 in numbers. They were namely multidisciplinary contribution, technical complexity, distributed actions, reciprocal dependency, value to member expertise, high opportunities for decision making, member feedback, work through consensus, synchronized plan, and communication requirements. The data collection was done from the target population, which included team members and managers in IT companies in India. The sampling method for this purpose was snowball and convenience method. The sample size was 150 for team members and managers working in Indian IT companies, which included the MNCs working in India and also local Indian IT companies. These selections was from 37 IT companies in India, which included the large and small IT organizations. The hypothesis for correlation and variance were developed, and so data analysis was done under three headings. Number one was analysis of mean ranks was done to find how the relative positions of the characteristics varied in large and small IT companies. Correlation and analysis of team characteristics was used to analyze the strength of relationship and direction of relationship between different characteristics. And variance analysis was undertaken to explore on which team characteristics the large and small IT organizations differed. This is the result from SPSS got for mean rankings of these different team characteristics, and in large IT organization and small IT organization, and it was found that the team characteristics which were ranked high in large IT organizations were actually ranked low in small IT organizations. The separate table for this, in this table you can see that in large IT organization the synchronized plan is at the top ranking, followed by decision making opportunities, then work through consensus, then reciprocal dependency, technical complexity, member feedback, communication requirement, distributed action, value to member expertise, and multidisciplinary contribution. Whereas the ranking in small IT organization is just the reverse. The multidisciplinary contribution, which was ranked at the lowest in the large IT organizations, here gets the highest ranking, followed by value to member expertise, distributed action, member feedback, communication requirement, technical complexity, reciprocal dependency, work through consensus, decision making opportunities, and synchronized plans. This is a correlational study which shows that there is strong relationship between multidisciplinary contribution and technical complexity and distributed actions. So these three characteristics are in high correlation with each other. Then coming to the other set, reciprocal dependency, which highly correlates with decision making opportunity, member feedback, consensual working, and synchronized plans. So these 5 characteristics correlate highly among themselves. This shows that they encourage and supplement each other in a positive direction. Then coming to the variance analysis table, Kruskal-Wallis method was adopted undertaken through SPSS software, and in this is the result, and you can see that reciprocal dependency has p-value less than 0.05. Similarly, decision making opportunities characteristics also has p-value less than 0.05, and then consensual working and synchronized plan. These 4 characteristics have p-values less than 0.05, and thus the null hypothesis of there is no significant difference was rejected, and these 4 characteristics show similarities. They show similarity among themselves in large and small IT organization. These characteristics show difference in large and small IT companies. These 4 characteristics: reciprocal dependency, decision making opportunity, consensual working, and synchronized plan. Because the null hypothesis is rejected due to p-value being less than 0.05, so no significant difference is rejected, and thus there is difference in these 4 characteristics. Whereas in other 6 team characteristics in large and small organizations, there was similarities were found. So research findings I discuss along with the table because of time constraint. Coming to the conclusion, the research paper has brought to light that team characteristics in large and small IT organizations actually show different patterns of existence due to difference of approach adopted by teams in projects and work execution in small and large IT companies. The team characteristics correlate positively with each other, but the strength and association of their impact varies in large and small IT organizations. The variance analysis of characteristics in big and small IT organization also showed difference along 4 characteristics, and these 4 characteristics there were differences, and these findings can be fruitfully utilized for team managers in team building and team structuring. In large and small IT organizations, the team characteristics interact and impact differently. Thus, the manager should consider the highly correlating factors together, as highly correlating characteristics help and enhance each other. Coming to the limitation, this research paper is based on taking a few team characteristics, thus limiting its scope in application to shared leadership and in the context of IT organizations. Future research may broaden or include the other team characteristics related to leadership in general and shared leadership in particular. Higher statistical techniques may be applied on team characteristics for high investigation and results. With this, I thank you.